It begins with bare concrete and disconnected chairs. On a quiet spring morning, most patios exist as cold transition zones between the house and yard. We pour time and money into outfitting these areas, treating them as extensions of our home. Yet, without a grounding element, they sit unused, feeling disconnected from the comfort of the interior. Arranging an expensive dining set or sleek sectional directly onto a deck doesn't pull people together. It remains a collection of separate objects, rather than a unified spot for Memorial Day gatherings. Providing that physical anchor underfoot creates the boundary necessary for a social space to take shape. The moment a premium woven texture rolls out across that surface, the atmosphere shifts. It establishes a distinct perimeter. What was once an open, floating arrangement of furniture becomes a cohesive, clearly defined outdoor room. The physical benefits follow the visual boundaries. The patio gains immediate warmth, a soft surface underfoot, and rich textures that break up the harsh lines of exterior architecture. The top 5 stylish outdoor rugs for 2026 are designed for this specific purpose, offering a balance between heavy-duty weather durability and indoor-level comfort. It is an immediate method for preparing a patio for a weekend of guests, establishing the scale and tone of the room in a single afternoon. For expansive decks that see a constant flow of guests, the Rugs USA Everywhere hand-braided rug serves as a heavy-duty anchor. The strength of this rug lies in synthetic polypropylene fibers, engineered into a tightly woven structure designed to resist physical breakdown. This chemical structure actively repels moisture to prevent mold growth, while built-in UV resistance keeps the materials from degrading under direct sunlight. It withstands the heavy foot traffic of a busy holiday weekend while maintaining a thick, soft texture. Of course, backyard gatherings with family inevitably bring spills. The ruggable Elena Jade addresses this reality, prioritizing ease of maintenance. It utilizes a sleek, low-profile design paired with a heavy-duty non-slip pad, ensuring the base stays firmly planted during active backyard barbecues. Its engineering allows the top surface to detach from the pad, so it can be tossed directly into a standard washing machine to clear away dirt or stains. These foundational options show that a high-end outdoor space can be built without sacrificing practicality. When the aesthetic requirements shift toward a quiet, modern balcony, the Quince Sloan rug serves as a minimalist vase. It is hand-loomed from PET polyester fibers, which are spun to replicate the heavy, soft drape of natural indoor wool. This texture adds a polished layer to an outdoor sanctuary without visually crowding a compact area. Conversely, covered sunrooms often require a specific injection of personality, making the Norrison Aloha rug a fitting contrast. With its vibrant tropical pattern and a soft cut pile construction, it brings dimensional life into spaces shielded from direct sunlight. Whether an outdoor space demands quiet sophistication or vibrant energy, the material finish dictates the emotional tone of the environment. When the goal is to replicate high-end indoor plushness over hard concrete, the Pottery Barn Outdoor Performance Rug provides a soft surface. Engineered with a full half-inch of thickness, it delivers physical comfort for lounging barefoot near a pool or an outdoor sofa. The density of the rug relies on sustainable material science, using single-use plastic bottles that are upcycled and spun into durable, soft fibers. Because of this plush density, it retains water longer than thinner weaves. To maintain its comfort, it should be utilized in spaces protected from pooling moisture. Modern engineering allows homeowners to achieve sustainable, luxury comfort outside, provided the material matches the environment. Under the string lights of a Memorial Day gathering, the rug provides the tactile layer that holds the seating area together as the social center of the yard. This deliberate act of space-making creates a destination in the backyard where guests naturally gravitate. You can explore all the featured rugs through the links below to compare sizes, color options, and styles. Take the time to match a rug's specific material engineering to your patio's weather exposure and your personal hosting adits. The best outdoor spaces are defined by the thoughtful details that make people feel completely at home. By building that strong foundation, every sunrise coffee, quiet sunset, and summer gathering becomes a memory worth sharing.